Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I just finished replacing the sway bar bushings and links in the front. Everything is amazing, and right now I'm currently just waiting for a couple more parts to arrive so I can finish these axle boots. I need to replace those, and afterwards I can't wait to put this car back together so we can test drive it. We can see how this amazing legendary Mercedes W124 feels like, and yeah, other than that, I just see this car smiling and smiling more and more every day, so that's awesome. Thank you guys for support.
Come on.
Alright guys, now we're gonna be bleeding the brakes, and I have the helper inside. He's gonna be pumping the brakes and I will be releasing the pressure, and this is the hose I'll be using to connect to the caliper, and I'll be doing it without removing the wheels, and then at the end I'll flush everything in case there's any brake fluid spillage. Everything will be flushed out. Go ahead, pump the brakes. Hold it.
Good.
Holding.
Hold.
Okay, nasty fluid is leaking out. Keep it there. Pump. Hold it.
Hold.
Bump it. Hold it.
Do you try to flush it all like with one and
Yeah.
then go around?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Hold it. Pump. All right, hold it. Pump. Hold it. Bump it. Release. Press all the way, hold. Bump. Alright, we just finished bleeding the brakes on the left rear. Everything is back together. Okay, nice and clean. No brake fluid anywhere. Awesome. I'm gonna move on to the front wheels. Pump it. Alright, hold it. Nasty fluid. Pump. Hold it. Pump. Hold it. Pump. Hold it. Pump. Add fluid. The fluid is coming out clean on this side, so we're good. We're done bleeding this side. Press all the way, hold. Pump it. Release. Press all the way, hold. Pump it. Hold it. Pump it. Hold it. Pump it. Fluid is pretty clean. All right, pump it. How does the pedal feel? Amazing. All right, cool. Release it. I'm gonna start wrapping it up, put the wheel back on and everything. Top of the fluid. Everything is rinsed off here, ready to go, cleaned up. Brakes are bled. All ready to go, bled, topped off, clean, nice brake fluid. We'll be replacing this line. This is the power steering return line. It's pretty bad, cracked, so I'm gonna replace and install a new one in here. All right, guys, this is the next day. Just wanted to give you an update of what we did. I changed the brake fluid on this car. So it has a fresh brake fluid right now. Before that, it used to have really dirty black brake fluid. So right now, all the wheels have been bled. My friend has been helping me. Or was helping me, and right now this car has a fresh brake fluid. The reservoir is right here and it's all the way at the max. The fluid is clean. That's what it looks like, and that's awesome. The brakes feel amazing, and obviously you have to use that for. Oh man, I'm brand new. Can't even install this cap on. But yeah, I used that for brake fluid for this amazing car, and that's it. And right now, this is what I'm waiting on is just the axle boots, and we're almost done and ready to go with this car. Amazing machine. Can't wait to test drive it. All right, guys, here are our CV axles. They're looking amazing. It's got brand new boots. I used Phoebe. We used Phoebe boots, so hopefully they'll last a long time. And yeah, we've got new clamps, everything. I painted the axles. They look really nice right now. And yeah, I'm ready to install this back on the car, and hopefully everything is amazing, guys. And I've got my bolts that I cleaned up, and also, just so you know, I'll be using thread locker for these bolts. I'll be using blue thread locker.